Does silver make a good investment? What are the benefits of buying it? It's natural and even prudent for investors to wonder if a particular asset is a good investment. Due to silver's small market size, it doesn't carry the same gravitas as gold, especially since it's such a small market. There are many compelling reasons to add physical silver to your portfolio at this point in history. So here are the top 7 reasons why every investor should buy some silver bullion. Number 1. Silver outperforms gold in bull markets. There is a small market for silver, so much so that a little cash moving into or out of the industry can have a much greater impact than other assets, including gold. As a result of this greater volatility, silver falls more in bear markets than gold. But during bull markets, silver will soar much further and faster than gold. Here are a couple good examples. Silver gained more than gold in the 2 biggest precious metals bull markets of the modern era. The gain from 1970 low to 1980 high, gold went up over 2,300%, and silver had over a 3,100% gain. The gain from 2008 low to 2011 high, gold went up over 150%, and silver went up over 450%. The silver industry remains small, so we can expect this outperformance to persist in the next bull market as well. Number 2, silver is real money. It may not be part of our currency, but silver is still money. Silver, along with gold, is the ultimate form of money since it cannot be created out of thin air and therefore depreciate, as paper or digital money can. We mean physical silver when we talk about real money, not ETFs, certificates, or future contracts. Paper investments do not have the same benefits as real investments. Now, silver is a store of value just like gold. I'll explain why. Silver it does not involve any counterparty risk. You don't need another party to fulfill a promise or contract if you own physical silver. Stocks, bonds, and almost all other investments do not offer this sort of protection. Silver has never been defaulted on. Physical silver does not carry a default risk. You can't say the same for almost any other investment. Silver is money that can be used for the long term. It is evident from a scan of monetary history that silver has been used more than gold in coinage. Number 3, silver is cheap compared to gold. Suppose I told you could buy a hard asset for roughly 1/65th the price of gold, and it would protect you just as well as against inflation. Silver gives you that. As a precious metal, it supports your standard of living as well as gold during periods of monetary inflation. Buying silver can be an excellent way to own some precious metals if you can't afford gold. Number 4, global demand is on the rise. Most major government mints have already reached their peak production levels, with virtually all seeing record sales. Nowhere is the surge in demand more evident than in China. Metals have long been associated with this behemoth market. Its enormous appetite will continue as its population grows, the opposite of what is happening in the West. Number 5, physical silver is a hard asset. How many investments can you hold in your hand out of all of the ones you own? In a world of paper profits, digital trading, and currency creation, physical silver stands out as one of these few assets that you can carry with you anywhere, even abroad. It can be as private and confidential as you wish. Additionally, silver is a tangible hedge against all forms of hacking and cybercrime. Number 6, silver is more practical for small purchases every day. Aside from being cheaper to buy, silver can also be more practical when it comes to selling. Someday you may not want to sell an entire ounce of gold to cover a small financial need. That's when silver comes into play. You can only sell what you want or need since it comes in smaller denominations than gold. For this reason, every investor should have some silver on hand. Number 7. Growing industrial use. There isn't a day that goes by that you don't use a silver containing product. Almost every major industry uses it, from electronics to batteries to solar panels. No matter where you look, silver is everywhere. In recent years, silver's industrial applications have skyrocketed due to its rare characteristics. The industry now consumes more than half of all silver demand.